Welcome to the Swarigio Pipeline Audit. If you're an experienced founder, stop chasing content and start fixing your core system. Most high-level entrepreneurs think they need to be louder online. They don't have a content problem. They have a mechanism problem. Before you book this audit, understand this. We are not offering another marketing seminar. We're offering clarity. If your pipeline isn't converting, it's not because you need more content. It's because your underlying system is fundamentally misaligned. A misalignment means your effort is wasted. You're creating noise instead of signal, spending time but getting inconsistent results. We see the subtle signs: the founder endlessly refreshing their profile, the low conversion statistics, the random, inconsistent lead flow. More content doesn't fix a broken mechanism. It just buries the real issue, turning your business into a content treadmill. We break down your entire setup to find the specific leaks. There are usually 3 core problems. First, unclear positioning. Why are prospects ignoring you? Because your message isn't distinct enough to cut through the noise. Second, weak offer architecture. Your service isn't positioned to sell itself. This forces you into the manual grind of convincing rather than closing. Finally, content that attracts attention, but not intent. You get likes, but not clients, because your content isn't built as a pre-selling asset. It's time to stop guessing and start diagnosing the structure. Introducing the Swarigio Pipeline Audit. This $97 pipeline audit is not a general consultation. It is a full system diagnosis. We are not here to talk theory. We are here to execute a clear roadmap. We pull up your profile live, run a funnel stress test, perform a messaging teardown, and map out the specific, quiet lead infrastructure you need. Our process is built on precision, structure, and respect for your time. This is how we ensure you get maximum value. This is a working session, not a lecture. You leave with the full HD recording in your custom execution plan. Real outputs, not vague theory. We enforce a 72-hour buffer. This time is spent analyzing your current funnel and building your strategic dossier, ensuring maximum precision the moment we meet. If you're tired of running on the content treadmill, it's time for a change. This is for founders who are done guessing and ready to fix what's actually broken. We build authority, the kind that closes consistently. If you're serious about building a pipeline that works without constant effort, secure your audit now or deem audit to @Swarigio or @Vishalborai, and we'll guide you through the next step.